Oatmeal. It's often hailed as one of the healthiest breakfast choices out there. Packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, vitamin E, iron, magnesium, and fiber, it's no wonder so many people swear by their morning oats. But, could there be side effects to eating oatmeal every day? Let's find out. Oatmeal is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's great for heart health, supports digestion, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. The high fiber content keeps you full longer, aiding in weight management. But like any food, eating oatmeal daily may come with a few downsides. One common issue? Gas and bloating. Oatmeal contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which our gut bacteria ferment, producing gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and hydrogen. This is a natural process, but if you're not used to a fiber-rich diet, you may experience abdominal discomfort. To reduce these effects, try introducing fiber gradually into your diet. Soaking oatmeal before eating can make it easier to digest while still preserving its nutrients. Cooking your oats into a warm, comforting porridge can also break down tough fibers and make digestion smoother. There's an ongoing debate: should you eat oatmeal raw or cooked? Raw oats retain all their nutrients, but they also contain anti-nutrients like phytates, which can block mineral absorption. Cooking neutralizes these compounds, but some vitamins may be lost in the process. While oatmeal is generally safe, some people should be cautious. Those with celiac disease should avoid it unless it's certified gluten-free. Individuals with digestive disorders should avoid raw oats, as they can irritate the digestive tract. And if you're eating oat bran, always drink enough water to prevent blockages. Oatmeal is a carbohydrate, so if you have diabetes, it's essential to monitor your intake. Opt for steel-cut oats or rolled oats over instant oatmeal, which has a higher glycemic index. Pairing oats with protein or healthy fats can also help balance blood sugar spikes. If gas is an issue, oatmeal isn't the only culprit. Apples contain fructose and sorbitol, fatty cheeses slow digestion, and foods like lettuce, coffee, and spicy dishes can also trigger bloating. And let's not forget legumes, rich in indigestible oligosaccharides which get fermented in the colon. So should you eat oatmeal every day? The answer depends on your body. If you tolerate it well, enjoy it in moderation and prepare it in a way that suits your digestion. If raw oats give you trouble, cook them into a delicious porridge. Finding the right balance will help you reap all the health benefits without the discomfort. Did you find this video helpful? If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based health and nutrition insights.